Most common injuries we see this time of year, honestly, we've already had a couple, are lawnmower issues. This wet grass out there, it gets clogged up, they want to reach down there and unclog it. Or just remember that blade is still turning even after you release that blade control. So people end up slicing a finger or two. We have amputations versus tendon lacerations, even fractures associated with these. So just be careful, let the blade stop, things like that. People are tilling up their gardens, getting gardens ready to plant, here in about a couple of weeks or so. So what we see with that is the tillers get clogged up, the blades on the tiller, so they're cleaning it out. Wear gloves during this process. What that does is just give your hand a little protection. We see people get cuts and things like that. Sometimes not deep enough, require sutures, but it can cause an infection. So we worry about that kind of thing. And just overuse injuries, just from doing stuff you've been in the winter time. You've been kind of laying low, then all of a sudden you get spring cleaning, spring fever, and then you have a sprain or just overuse injuries of your shoulder, get a rotator cuff issue. So those are things we can definitely handle that with, but just ease into it. Take time, take breaks. It's all going to be there at some point.